For Satori, our vision is to empower creatives and innovators with these affordable professional 3D printers. In order to create functional objects and professional standards, such as prosthetic arm, architecture model, and bike helmet, we need to strike a fine balance between the print precision, scale, and stability. However, if you look at the market, the average price of such professional 3D printer is about 10,000 pounds. As part of Satori's vision, it's very important for us to make such a professional-grade machine accessible by young, talented designers who don't have a big budget. We believe that professionalism is not a price tag, but an attitude. As a result, I approached the leading 3D printing player, Elegoo, to share my vision, and they gave me tremendous support by providing this manufacturing capacity.
The Satori VL2800 is an advanced resin 3D printer built for scale, precision and speed. It prints 27 by 15 by 30 centimeters, over 4 times larger than our last machine, using a high-wind steel rail and closed-loop drive for rock-solid printing at scale. Our 6K screen is higher detail than other large machines, and we've redesigned the lighting to be more even and parallel for high precision. Our platform is level from the factory, so get printing right away. Our mono screen cures fast, so print in batches and large items at speed.
With the current 3D printers on the market, we're able to produce models that are 3D printed in sections to make up a bigger model. With our new 3D printer, we're able to produce models that are much larger in volume and no longer required to be built in sections.
So I've been using the Satori 3D printer to make large-scale pieces such as this chain with absolute accuracy and precision. Every single link is identical and it's something that I wouldn't naturally be able to produce. The detail of it and the fact that I would be able to replicate it every single time exactly the same ensures that I could create a whole collection from the larger scale pieces down to the more custom pieces for customers.
Yeah, so our society runs off sponsorships and we don't have a huge budget for sort of industrial scale machines. So to be able to get this kind of advanced technology at an affordable price is absolutely invaluable to us. Yeah, and it's what's going to allow us to approach more ambitious projects in the future.
Although Satori is a new company, as a team we've had over 20 years experience in the 3D printing industry. In our past jobs, we've been working with Stratasys, 3D Systems, Formlabs, both as users and as salespeople. So we have a real understanding of the shortcomings that other machines might have. And so for this new machine, we're leaning on all of that knowledge that we have to make the most user-friendly printer that we can.
Satori's vision is to empower global creatives around the world, and we would like to inspire design thinking and encourage everybody to use 3D printing no matter what industry they may be in, from jewelry to architecture to dental and sports. Having a young female CEO really inspires us to focus on inclusiveness as well as women in tech and female leadership.
It is very tough to work for a 3D printing industry, as the technology itself sometimes can be intimidating. However, we want to make the machine as approachable as possible. But most importantly, it's about the Satori team here. We want to be available to designers and innovators whenever they have questions, and even they have some requests, they want to customize the machine. We will integrate that ideas for our upgrade. Your support for Satori's Kickstarter campaign is invaluable. You're not only help us to bring this industrial-grade 3D printer to life, but most importantly, you join hands with us to democratize professional 3D printer and to empower people, young people especially, without a big budget, dare to dream and innovate.